Did you know the world's most important interest rate, LIBOR, was secretly rigged for years by the world's biggest banks? LIBOR, or the London Interbank Offered Rate, set the price of borrowing trillions of dollars globally. Mortgages, student loans, even city budgets. All depended on this one number, decided every day in London by a handful of huge banks. But in 2012, the truth came out. Barclays, UBS, JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank, these giants had been quietly manipulating LIBOR to make money for themselves. Traders nudged the rate up or down by just a hair, sometimes as little as 0.00125%. To you and me, that's barely a blip. But when you multiply that by trillions of dollars, that's billions in profit, at everyone else's expense. Here's where it gets wild. During the 2008 financial crisis, it wasn't just traders gaming the system. Governments and central banks pressured these same banks to artificially lower rates, by amounts 50 times bigger than anything the traders did. Yet, not a single official or central banker was ever prosecuted. Instead, the focus landed squarely on traders like Tom Hayes. He became the face of the scandal, sentenced to 14 years in prison. Dozens more traders were convicted or jailed. But the banks, they just paid huge fines, over $1 billion for UBS, and hundreds of millions each for Barclays and RBS. They moved on. Fast forward to 2024. After years of legal battles, U.S. courts threw out every LIBOR rigging conviction. Even Hayes had his conviction overturned by the UK Supreme Court, who admitted his trial wasn't fair. Now Hayes is fighting back with a $400 million lawsuit against his former employer, UBS, claiming he was made a scapegoat. But what about everyone else? Investors tried to sue the banks. Most of those lawsuits failed. Judges said they couldn't prove actual injury from the rigged rates. So the real victims, people with loans and pensions tied to LIBOR, never saw justice. In the end, the scandal destroyed LIBOR's credibility for good. The world moved on to new rates, like Sonia in the UK. But the big question hangs in the air. How did a few traders go to jail while the most powerful players walked away untouched? If you want more untold stories from the world of finance, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.